Okay, so based on your request, I'm going to look at this is going to be a completely uncut recording because I just want to troubleshoot the error that you're facing. So yeah, so you're saying basically that in the second state variable you had it as async and await, but because it wasn't working otherwise. So let's first see what's happening here. So I've just open the developer tools, so refresh. So as when I load, it loads up. It has loaded the JSON data, and so basically then everything is set, and right. So let's see here. It seems that what's going on is when I assign a value, I get this error, type error. The state car models.map is not a function. So let's look at what's going on here. So here, so I have two select labels, right? And then the error I'm getting is car models.map. Okay, so this here is not working because, so let's look at it. This state.carmodels.map, so that seems to mean that car models, when it gives an error like that, it kind of is saying really that it's having trouble with car models.map. So let's see, is car models defined? Right, so I do say that sys_test is equal to, right, this state dot selection 1, right? So let's think about this for a second, right? This state dot selection 1, where is selection 1, right? So what you're doing here is when the value changes in the first, you're based in the first drop down, you're assigning selection 1, right, to var1, the target.value, which is the value that was selected, and then you say that show selected is equal to true to show the second drop down, and then you also assign car models to this state, that selection 1. So now think about this again. Do you think so, because you've assigned here a value to the state, but at the same exact moment you're assigning the value that you are assigning to selection 1 in the state, you're using the state value of selection 1 to put it to car models in the state. Do you think that it has, like, because you're already doing at this exact same second, do you think that the value has already been assigned to selection 1 yet? Right? Probably not. right, when you're executing this. So this is potentially one issue. So just think about like, where is the value from for selection one? It's for var1 target selection targeted value. So instead of assign, why don't you just take that value and assign it to car models directly, right? And then it should have a value and shouldn't give you this error, right? So here you go, right? That makes sense. So there is something else here that's going on with the find DOM node, but that's a warning. That's something you can investigate later. But this is the main thing here. So the main problem, just to review it again, is you are assigning a value in state, this dot state selection one, to car models when this dot state dot selection one hasn't gotten the new value yet. So that was the issue. All right. Take care.